With this short presentation, I want to show some possibilities of how you can develop design. To develop a new design, you have to have the base. The base in this situation will be the jacket, tuxedo jacket, with certain elements which are happening in this jacket, and certain cut which is happening in the jacket. The front, the side panel, and the back. So, and two-piece sleeve, and tailored collar. Right? So, you just play with the elements instead of two-piece sleeve here in this design. It's an example, and I'm using here just, of course, it comes from the idea, and I'm using here the dragon sleeve, which is a part of Fabricscape tutorials. So, dragon sleeve. So I started from the dragon sleeve, then the lapel. Instead of this lapel, the typical tuxedo lapel, the exaggerated lapel with pointy corner, which is matching the shape of the sleeve is added, right? Instead of tailored collar with typical collar coming with lapel together, I'm just simply using the stand collar here with this 3 spikes. Again, it's matching to the style of the dragon sleeve and lapel. Yes, I belted it to have it more fitted and emphasizing the waistline here. Just belt. So, and exaggerated hemline to accommodate the skirt, which is basically developed with arcs technique, but happening randomly around the skirt, not in one particular place, as you can find it in the course, our course, peplum arcs waterfall. So, but here it's happening randomly around the skirt. With this, I want to finish by advising to use my consultations, which are actually part of the offer when you buy the course. Right? So you can develop your own style, ask me, I'm helping, and therefore the course is not just repeating, copying the design. The course is about exploration, which is actually the nature of all our courses in our project. So, and with my consultation, I believe you can develop based on your own ideas, you can develop your styles and have a wonderful design in the end.